Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we start with cleaning up the little bits of drywall. We want to put them aside, maybe we need them later on for some tiny bits in a corner or wherever. So I put all the pieces we can still use to the side and all the rubbish in this big plastic bag. In the meantime, my dad is preparing the window to put in the new windowsill. There's going to be a video about this if you like to see how he built the windowsill. Drop me just a message in the comment and I'll put a video together for you guys. He took out the heater, so he's got enough space to put the windowsill in, and I'm cleaning. So we've got space for the next renovation step, because today we want to build the second knee wall in the upstairs. Curious to find out if this works better than the last one. Zwei große Kantholzer soll ich holen. Für einen Drempel im Obergeschoss. Gucken wir mal, wo die sind. Oh, voll verbuddelt, ey. So ein Scheiß. Guckt euch das an hier. Überall Müll.
Oh, gut. Ja, das ist doch klar. Bauplan. Hast du einen Bauplan?
Nee, ich habe einen Plan. Weder einen Bauplan noch irgendeinen anderen Plan. Lebensplan.
Mein Gott, diese Lehrlinge.
Okay, now we've got all the material upstairs and we start measuring. First we're going to build the frame for the knee wall, because then we only need to attach it to the wall and to the floor. And then we're going to put planks so we can attach the, that's me pretending to be strong. We're going to attach planks from the up to the down so we can attach the drywall bits onto it. I hope this time it works better than the last time we built one, because if you remember the last time, the first plank, which was going up to down, I measured wrong and we were out a centimeter, which made it really difficult in the end to attach all the drywall to it, and my dad had to take all the planks off and redo them. So I hope this time I'm paying a bit more attention to detail and everything is going to be measured just fine. Here we attach the frame. Of course I'm filming a little bit, but now it's my turn. I'm gonna build this one. Just in case you're wondering, it looks really close to my leg, the saw there, but this is just the angle from the camera. So don't worry, I'm not gonna hurt myself.
Nicht verkanten und nicht aufhören. Einfach weiterschneiden.
Warum geht das?
Gerade halten und weiterschneiden.
Jetzt kann ich das nicht mehr. Toll. Jetzt musst du.
Wieso kannst du das nicht mehr?
Ja, weil es jetzt nicht durchgegangen ist.
Ne, wenn du zwischendurch aufhörst, geht das nicht durch.
Geht nicht mehr weiter.
Ach, na klar geht's weiter. Du hast es verkantet. Du darfst die Säge nicht verkanten. So, darfst du nicht verkanten.
Darf ich die jetzt da reinhalten und anfangen, damit ich weiß, wo der Strich ist?
Nein, du darfst die da nicht reinhalten. Du fliegst dir um die Ohren. Gibt es einen sogenannten Kickback.
Kickback. Hört sich gut an.
Ja, das tut aber weh. Zack, so geht das.
Na dann, los, ran jetzt.
So, willst du jetzt weitersägen?
Nee, du machst das jetzt.
Na bitte, geht doch.
Hier wie Tim Taylor, der Heimwerkerkönig.
Ja. Ja, mit so einer Makita geht das gut, ja?
Werbung unbezahlt. Right, after I got my confidence knocked with sawing, I better just screw these little planks on. Paying a lot of attention to detail this time because I know the last time my dad had to redo it, which made me feel really bad because, yeah, it was double the work. But this time I'm really careful that I don't mismeasure things, and yeah, he's keeping an eye on me as well. But I think, yeah, this time I'm doing a bit better than the last time. So I get some practice and yeah, it works out. And while I'm attaching the wood, my dad can prepare the drywall and start putting that on already. So this is really good teamwork this time. Oh yeah, this is the time capsule. Maybe you remember we put some time capsules in the house already. We put an old newspaper under the flooring upstairs, and I think there will be some more time capsules just in case in the future, maybe in 50 or 100 years, someone is gonna renovate this house, and I think it's a nice thing to find relics from the past, basically, because we found some relics and we were really happy about this. And it was really exciting. So yeah, we're going to put them in as well.
So. Na los.
So.
Richtig. Na los. Ja, bitte. Du brauchst nicht mehr Böll haben. So, sag mal weiter, wie geht's denn? Musst du mal abmachen. Was denn jetzt?
So, jetzt hoch.
Ja. Stopp. Jetzt machst du von oben nochmal. Zack, na bitte.
Yeah, and this is the result. This is how far we got that day. Looks really good, I think. I didn't do any mistakes, so that's a good thing. But unfortunately, we were so much in the flow that we built the drywall way too far because my dad wanted to put some insulation in the little gap where the knee wall is. And here the windowsill is already attached to the window, so we need to, well, my dad is there today on his own, so he's gonna put the drywall in the window in as well. I think I couldn't come that day because that was the next day because I had to work. Oh, I don't know what was wrong, but it's him now. So he has to fix again the mistakes we made the day before with the drywall, but this time it's not that bad because he only has to take a little bit out, put some insulation in, and then he can close it off again. And for the window, it's better if he does it anyway, because I think you need to be really paying attention to detail. Otherwise, it doesn't look good. And yeah, it kind of defeats the purpose. So here he opened up the little corner, and this is the insulation he wants to put into the side. Yeah, mask on, ripping the insulation packet open, and then measuring it and yeah, putting it all in. Right, the insulation bit is done, and now it's time to close the gap again. And then we finally have a proper bedroom up there. Well, proper. My mom always comes and says, oh look, you only have to wipe the floors and then you can move in. So this is an ongoing joke, of course. We will still have to plaster all the plaster boards and put wallpaper on and proper flooring. And yeah, there's still a lot to do, but slowly but surely it comes together. So my dad is finishing off this little corner there. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video and our progress this time. If you enjoyed it, then like the video, this helps us a lot. And if you haven't done that yet, then we also really appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel and maybe leave a comment what you think so far of our renovation project. See you next week, and thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day. Bye bye.